Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and I was getting ready to decorate the built-ins to transition from Christmas into winter. I hadn't really done much except take down some red stockings that I felt were kind of throwing off the color scheme once Christmas was over. But now I'm going to add a few other things just to kind of make these built-ins in this living room area all winter ready before I get the chance, of course, to decorate for spring, which is way more exciting. So I thought I would take you along on that. Now, this all kind of started when my kids got me this simple picture frame from Walmart for Christmas. They kind of wanted to get me something, and so they thought, oh, white frame, that'll be perfect for mom. It got me thinking, why don't I put picture frames on my built-ins? I grabbed another one of these so it could be mirror image on the other side. I like to, on these built-ins, keep everything really simple and kind of minimal. So far, I've just had a lot of ironstone and some wood boxes and then greenery or whatever is seasonally appropriate. I grabbed another frame, and then I actually grabbed two of these wooden frames and put in some pictures of Micah and then one of me and Micah. I also grabbed the matching larger frame to those, and the reason I did that is I've had this Merry Christmas sign and it's wood, and I love the way the wood looks in the middle, and I have to take it down because it isn't Christmas, but I really didn't want to because I like the look of the wood. So I thought this might be really perfect, and I don't know for sure, so if it's not, I'll take it back, but I'm going to try that. Then I'm also going to decorate the rest of the living room for winter, which I just usually rearrange pillows around the house. I have lots of buffalo check and ticking stripe and grain sack. I like a lot of warm tones like wicker and jute and wood, and adding in fresh greenery, things like that. So I'm going to leave out my eucalyptus and greenery that I put out in my Christmas built-ins decorate with me video. It looks beautiful still, it's just way crispier than it was on the day I put it out. So I'm going to leave that all through the rest of the winter. I think I'll probably really miss the greenery when winter's over because it's so pretty. Also, I want to point out, I had showed you how to make these sweater stockings in a different video. And although they are a Christmas decoration, I'm going to leave them on my built-ins because I like the color, and I think I can get away with leaving them out throughout the rest of the winter, even though they're technically a Christmas decoration. But I think the color kind of flows with everything, so they're gonna stay. Let's just do a little decorate with me farmhouse style winter built-ins and living room. From my post on how to find farmhouse decor at the thrift shop, I talked about a knitted table topper that was antique and vintage and really cool looking. I ended up putting it over the bench cover here in the entryway that's just to the right of the door to add some cozy texture for winter. I made the wreath at Christmas time, which I also showed you how to make. and it is still holding up even though it's made from fresh greenery. I brought in some black and white ticking stripe pillows from the shop. I will link them below. You can find them on my website. I am putting the 2 pillows on my wingback chairs that I slip covered. I wrote a post on the blog about how my husband and I stripped the paint from this antique dresser. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the changes I made here in the living room area for winter and entryway, just all in this little area right here in the front of our home and the built-ins. And I hope that you will find some inspiration to maybe bring some simple changes into your home to get you through those winter blues before spring comes, which I am definitely looking forward to. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I make videos on food from scratch, natural living in a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.